Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Tonight I will be doing for you an apple cake. Alright, so I'm using this book, guys. I'm just here for more food by Alton Brown. A lot of recipes, unusual recipe that you can use and make some delicious sweet treats for your family. So I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna tell you my ingredients. It's our unsalted butter, sugar, which is 1 cup right here, sugar, 2 cups of sugar, the sugar and the flour is in this together, right Trish? No, this is the sugar. So we're using this sugar today, granulated sugar. The eggs, it's 2 eggs, 2 large eggs right here. Bowl. Yes. It says vanilla extract. I have my vanilla extract, which is Benjamin. Those who know Benjamin know that they produce good stuff. It's the all-purpose. The dry ingredients is the all-purpose flour, 2 cups right here, with the cinnamon in it already, and the baking powder, which is 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Yes, and the salt is already in it. Ground cinnamon is already in it, which is 1 teaspoon, and freshly grated nutmeg. They're all in that bowl. It also said that we are to use 4 cups apples, and the apples right here peel and cut up small. I'm gonna use 4 cups of that, which is roughly 4 apples, 4 to 5 apples, and I have some walnut that I'm substituting for pecan. All right, right here. I have my salt, which is added already. I have some allspice, and I have some rose and almond. Where it is? Yeah, I have that one too that I'm gonna be adding. All right, so those are my ingredients. Right, rose and almond. Right, so those are my ingredients according to this book, this food mixing baking book here. I'm just here for more food. I'm gonna try out this apple cake tonight. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys. Alright, so I have my bowl here and I have my mixer. So I'm gonna add the cream, the butter and the egg. No, the butter and the sugar. It says prepare the assemble the ingredients via cream in the method, folding the apples and pecans last, which is my walnut last. So I'm gonna do my butter and my sugar first, as if you are baking a cake. You just now you have to cream the butter with the sugar. Yes. Those are the first 2 ingredients. Hello everyone. Hi. So guys, this is what it looks like. It's creamy. Look, the bowl is big, but yeah, it's creamy, and the butter is a special butter, so you'll see those, what is it now, some seasoning in this butter. It's very special, it's different. What's the name of this butter, sis?
It should have been garlic butter, but there's no garlic about it.
Okay, so that's the butter we're using, healthy butter. Right, so after this now, what next? So it's already creamy, seeds, right? So it's ready for the next step. And the next step is to add the flour, the dry ingredients. Yeah, dry ingredients. It's put the steps there. So the first one is the cream, the second the egg, the third the dry goods, and the extra at the last. Alright, so the next step, guys, is to add my dry ingredients, which is the flour, baking powder, and cinnamon, all of those stuff. This is the dry ingredient section, guys. The book is easy to follow. Yes, very easy to follow. So the next step is the apple. Yeah. See, we have a lot of apple here. You know, when you cut up apple for a little bit, it starts to change its color. So this is why this is looking like this. But I'm going to be using. I'm gonna be scooping this out with this. So basically I am already done. So guys, this is the walnut. I'm adding it to it. So if you don't want to add any nuts to yours, because some person might be allergic, you can leave that out. It's finished now. Finish mixing. Looks like now. Can I get one of the
Bacon too?
No, the spoon.
Okay, sure.
Those plastic spatula. Yeah.
Now sometimes when you're cooking or baking, it's good to have an assistant to get stuff going. So yes, everything looks good. And you already added the apple, sis. That looks good. Okay.
Apple is all in.
That's good.
So the apple is diced, so when you're eating this cake, you will have a little crunch, I believe.
Yes.
Yeah.
But a good crunch.
It's not baked, so you have the walnut and the apple for the crunch. So I'm gonna get the baking tin now. The oven is already preheating, so just gonna get the baking tin. So,
and I am gonna look for that for her. I'm gonna help her grab that. So we're gonna use this pan. It's Gotham steel. It's a good baking pan. So kudos to them, because I've been using it and it's not like marking on the bottom or stripping. So go buy it and tell them we sent you, and make sure we get some royalty of it.
Okay guys, so I now have this baking tin. You heard the name of it. So I'm gonna grease this a bit with a little butter. You can use your, and it's clean, so you can use your hand to just rub this, grease the bottom of this. Okay, so put this aside, the book can go aside now. I'm gonna add the butter to the baking tin. This bowl is very huge and very heavy, so I have to be careful. So you're gonna spread it evenly in the baking tin. There's a lot more to come out, guys. When it's small, you know, I'm gonna taste the butter. It tastes good. So far, so good. Can't wait to taste the apple in chunks of apple. That's supposed to give it a nice taste. I'm gonna add this to the oven now. It should be already preheated.
To 350.
So I'm going to add this to the oven. Alright guys. It's all in now guys. So I'm gonna give it enough time to bake. And you know when it bakes you can stick a knife in it or a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it is done. Alright, so I'm gonna allow this to bake now. Alright. And that's it guys, all done, looking beautiful. I can't wait to taste it. Okay, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye.